An Army veteran in Tulsa received a life-changing gift today.
News on 6's Madison Jones joins us live to explain how it's going to help him care for his family. Madison?
So, Craig and Lori, James Haywood honorably served in the U.S. Army and has been awarded multiple awards. He was gifted the keys to a refurbished 2016 Chevy Malibu this morning. Haywood says he's overcome challenges since serving and recently got a job working hard to provide for his 2 young sons, which is why he needs a reliable mode of transportation. The keys were handed over by the National Auto Body Council's Recycled Rides program, and the car was donated by Farmers Insurance. Oklahoma Veterans United nominated Haywood, and he says he could not be more grateful.
I don't like to cry. I don't like to cry in public, but when you get things like that, I mean, what can you do? With tears of joy.
Haywood says he couldn't wait to pick up his sons in the new vehicle, and that's the first thing he did. Craig?
They all were pretty excited about that, Madison. Thank you. We appreciate it. Haywood says he served for 3 years and is forever thankful he was able to serve our country. We thank him.
We're thankful for everyone who served.
Should be thankful.